Regarding my question from yesterday, I asked my nurse, and she said that I just don't need to remove my plaster, and I should just wash the outside. But I have some doubts about it. Maybe I can wash it, but I am not sure. Should I do what is in my mind, or should I follow what they said?
What did I tell you yesterday?
To Can you remind me?
Excuse me?
Can you remind me?
No, I can't, because you asked me yesterday and I answered you. And now you're repeating the same question again. What's the purpose of answering you if you're going to ask me again next week? Akhi, I told you, it depends on the nature of the wound. So if you can wash it, then you have to wash it. If the doctors or the specialists say, no, washing it harms you, or it may hurt you or delay recovery, then we have to look at the plaster. If the plaster is waterproof, then you can wash your normal limbs normal. And I think you said that you had the injury on your feet, not on one foot. Or maybe this is your English. So in this case, if it is waterproof, you just wash it alongside with the foot. If it is not waterproof, then you just can wipe over it, but wash the rest of the area.